So next up, guys, got a nice tractor here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but it's a John Deere 2950. Got a cab, heat and air, really good rubber all the way around. And the AC does not work, but they did diagnose that issue. I'll list it out in the description. But the front wheel assist does work good, guys. Good rubber, nice cab with a good heat, with a good seat. If we work our way to the rear of the unit, guys, we got 3-point hitch, 2 auxiliary hydraulic hookups. You got the nice drawbar. It does have a 1000 and a 540 PTO, guys. Tractor's got right around 12,500 hours. Good looking, starts right up. They just put new injectors in it this last summer. Starts up, runs good. They've used it for quite a few years running a feeder wagon. I'm here with Joe. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts easy, guys. Pretty cold day here in Iowa, but tractor starts up, runs good. And obviously you can see this guy's place in the background. He's pretty fussy about all his equipment. Keeps everything in good working order. Transmission would be a synchronized transmission with a high and low range. It does have 4 gears in each range. I'll just kind of spin it around the yard here quick for you. Really good rubber. It's got a little toolbox. Real solid running tractor. Got rev it up there for you. Good running unit. Tractor's in real nice shape. Good luck, guys, with auction time and Old 20 Auctions.